welcome to my channel, and I hope you guys are all doing well. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my makeup collection. I have a lot more makeup, but this is just the makeup that I currently use for like photo shoots every day and all that kind of stuff. So this is where I keep all of my makeup. This is like my little travel case, but I just use it for my makeup here at home. I think my grandma used to have like the same exact one as the one I have. She actually found it for me at a flea market a while ago. I was so happy because this is like the newest one that I have. It's a vintage Samsonite, and it does have a key, but I don't have it. I'm gonna have to buy it just in case I want to lock everything that I have in here. But you open it like this. It opens like that. I have a lamp here, so it's not gonna open fully. But it has a mirror which you can just pop out, and it is so helpful. First thing that I have here on top of everything that's in there is my Morphe 35S Sweet Oasis eyeshadow palette that I've used in a recent video. If you guys haven't checked out that video, go check it out. I did a whole look with all these eyeshadows, and yeah, one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes I have currently. My new foundation that I currently am using, and it's one of my favorites. It might be a little too yellow for me, but this is still like bomb. It's the E.L.F Camo CC Cream in medium 330W. One of my favorite products at the moment because it has a pump as well, and I barely have anything that has a pump. Next thing is my Kylie Cosmetics Tequila's Hand Bronzer. I use this stuff so much. It's almost hitting pan. If you can't tell, it's literally almost hitting pan. I have my little headband, my terry cloth headband that I got at TJ Maxx like 4 years ago. It's still brand new. I have my Glossier, the Glossier edit or the skincare edit Christmas package that I got from my brother's girlfriend for Christmas once. I have a ton of lip products all over the place, but this is the Maybelline lip lifter gloss. I have Colourpop Super Shock Cheek highlighter in the shade Wisp. The Chanel Le Beige bronzer. Of the iconic Mexican mascara, which is one of my favorites as well. I have an E.L.F primer infused blush. I also have the E.L.F Heart Defensor collaboration highlighter. I got this a while ago when the stores still existed, but then they ended up closing stores like a year after, which was so annoying. So I really like the stores. I have a pack of Q-tips because I always need to clean up my mascara because I always make a mess, and these Q-tips are always here to save my life. I have the Lime Crime Plushies eyeshadow palette, the quad, actually, eyeshadow quad. It's falling apart. The brown eyeshadow broke. I got this at TJ Maxx like 3 years ago, and I've used it ever since. I also use it as like contour and blush. I have the Morphe Fluidity Full Coverage Foundation in the shade F280. Too pink for me, but I still keep it just because I do some people's makeup and they might be like a little too pink or a little too yellow. So I always keep the stuff as like backup in case I do someone's makeup. I have 3 E.L.F concealers, which are the best. I have the 16-hour camo concealer in the matte formula. And then I have 2 E.L.F camo, hydrating camo concealers in 2 different shades. I think they're all 3 different shades, but yeah. I have a Makeup Revolution highlighter. Yasmin Yin actually sent this to me as a giveaway. I've been following her for years, and she sent me a few products, so this was one of them. Yeah. I also have my old Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powders, and this is the Precious Petals. I don't use it as much as I used to before, but I really love this shade, and I love this highlighter formula. It's one of the best. I have Merit Beauty. They sent me products a while ago as well, and this is their highlighting balm in Bounce. It's like a pink, and I love this stuff. I used it when I was in Chicago because, you know, it was cold and I didn't feel like using a lot of powder products, and this made me look so good. Sunnies Face also sent me products a while ago, a Filipina brand from the Philippines. They sent me a few products. This is the Air Blush. This is in the color Raz. This is in the color Disco. You guys watch my makeup videos. I use these a lot, and I usually mix them together, and they come out so nice. Glossier Skin Tint, the Perfecting Skin Tint. Also one of my favorite products when I don't feel like using CC cream or foundation. Glossier Future Dew Serum. I used to be a fanatic of this, but I just barely reach for it anymore, but I keep it because the bottle's adorable. And, you know, sometimes I do decide to try this out again, and I definitely will at some point, but I'm not using it currently. So, a few brow products, Merit 1980 Brow, the Glossier Brow Flick, Glossier Boy Brow, and then I have the L'Oreal Pro Styler Brow Pencil, Kat Von D lipsticks. I have a few of the studded Kat Von D lipsticks that she used to sell back then. I'm not sure if that brand still sells them because it's not hers. It's not her brand anymore, so I'm not sure if they still sell these lipsticks. I have a few more Merit products that they sent me. I have the shade Slick. I have the shade Slick that I use a ton of times. Another favorite product of mine. The Chee color. The mascara, another favorite. And then this is the Perfecting Complexion Stick, which is like a stick foundation. Another favorite product of mine. I have a ton of mascaras. I have the Tarte Tartist. I also have the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. I have the Milk Kush mascara sample and the Chanel La Volume Revolution, the Chanel mascara. I have the Indeed Labs Hyaluron Tinted Lip Treatment that they also sent me a while ago. I have some Frilliance Cosmetics, Brilliance Beauty. They sent me a while ago as well. Another favorite brand of mine. This is their Perfecting Primer and Serum. I have a few more eyeshadow palettes. They're very old. This is the Too Faced Chocolate, Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar palette, which I use sometimes because of the neutral colors. And then I have the Kat Von D Shade and Light contour palette, I think it is. Yeah, this is the contour palette. I have a few, I have two vintage, literally this is like 20 years old and I still use them. They used to be my mom's lip glosses. They're the Lancome Juicy Tubes. And I always hear that these are one of the best lip glosses ever made. I definitely want to try out the new ones that they come out with because this is old. Even though they still work like beautifully. But I want to try the new ones. And Hydro Grip Primer sample as well. I have the Colourpop blush sticks in the shade Aloha. I have the Milk Makeup cheek and lip tint in the shade Work. I have the Bloom Meltdown Acne Oil, which they also sent me a while ago, and this works really great. Sunnies Face, the Lip Dip and Fumbo, right? This is the Lip Dip Lip Cream. I love this stuff. And it smells so good. This is the Brilliance Nude Lip Gloss. I think it's breaking already, but smells amazing as well, and one of my favorite nude lip glosses. Another favorite nude lip gloss, which I don't even know if Kylie still sells them. I got this a long time ago, like 5 years ago. This is the So Cute lip gloss. I have the Glossier Golden lip gloss as well. The Kylie Cosmetics Exposed Lipstick. The Sunnies Face Lip Dip Lip Cream in Posh. Makeup Revolution lipsticks, the butterfly editions. I don't even know what shades these are, but one is red and one is nude. I have the Kylie Cosmetics Exposed Liquid, the liquid lipstick set, which is the lip liner. And then I have another Frilliance lip gloss in the shade red. And I have my false eyelashes from when I worked with Ange, the makeup artist that worked on me a while ago. I saved these because it's like a little memory of us working together. And it was like the first time I vlogged anything that was like a job or whatever. So yeah, that was a fun time. I loved the look. It came out amazing. So I saved the lashes. This is completely empty. I need to clean it now. But that's all the makeup that I usually use. This is where I keep my brushes. This is only face brushes. And these are like eye brushes and a few accessories like rose water, my beauty blender, which I beat a lot. First of all, this is Beauty Bakery beauty blenders. It's a pack of 6. And they're like $25, I think. And these are the best sponges I've ever used. I also have this powder puff that I use for my powder. My powder lasts all day. So most of these things are super old. One of my old Kat Von D brushes as well. My Luxie brushes that I got in Miami once. And yeah, some of them are falling apart. Some of them are still good. And yeah, that's basically everything I have for makeup here in my room as of everything that I use. So that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did and hit that subscribe button. Yeah, here's Champion. Champ. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.